Hi everyone, John Martinson here. I'm the founder of Robolinux.org. We've been in business since 2011. That's 10 years. You can call me Robo, everyone else does. Today I'm announcing you can be untrackable and untraceable and escape the contact tracers and the spying agencies with Robolinux 12.12 versions, all three of them, Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. By the way, don't miss out on the big Robolinux 12 Plus sale. That's how you get a free Untracker, free Fastboot, free Backdoor security, free Stealth VM, and free C drive VM. That's a massive $200 savings, and that's 5 optional applications you don't have to pay for. All Robolinux Legacy BIOS and UEFI blazing fast 12.12 versions have the newest 5.11.0.41 Linux kernel, along with hundreds of security and application updates. Each rock-solid version of Robolinux comes with long-term support through 2025. Please note, only Legacy BIOS ISOs that you download from SourceForge will work in virtual machines. The ones that are not labeled Legacy are UEFI only. Let's take a brief look at what you get for free with the optional 12 Plus upgrade. So you'd go over here and you click on your Robolinux 12 Plus on your desktop, top left there we see the icon, and it would take you to, if depending on which version you are running, Cinnamon, Mate, or XFC, it would take you to that web page. Now I'm going to take you to the one that shows you what versions are available, and why I'm doing that is in the event that you want to run the Untracker on any other Linux operating system, it does work on all Linux distros. If you don't see yours here, just check to make sure that your etc directory has a systemd folder in it. So being that we are running Cinnamon Series 12, running the VPN, and I'll explain why you want to have one of those in a minute, I'm going to go ahead and just click on the Cinnamon and take you briefly through that, show you the free custom optional apps that you're going to get when you get 12 Plus. So you're actually going to save $200. Now you'll see everything's going to show up in your main menu when you install 12 Plus, like mine. Stealth VM, the Untracker, Fastboot, Backdoor security, the C drive to VM you download. You can use it to copy a C or clone a C drive, so you can put it into Stealth VM in one click install. So you're going to get 12 months of updates and app upgrades. That's the 12 Plus. That's what you would upgrade to. But then you're going to get a bunch of applications for free, and in some cases you're going to get custom built installers. Now Stealth VM is wonderful because of many reasons. You can click it and learn about it. You can run Windows virus free inside Stealth VM. If you read about it, you'll see how that works. Now I provide, or Robolinux.org provides, Windows 7 and 10 pre-built single-click installers. This is the full operating system already built. You just have to send an email to support after you get your 12 Plus upgrade, and you can get that. And here's your C drive to VM for free. Click this and you can see about that as well. Now here come the custom installers. So right now until the 15th of December, no fee for about an hour and a half worth of work for each one of these I'll be doing for you. Now why is the Untracker something that you want? Well, everybody's running on wireless routers, and that's how they snag your MAC address. And the MAC address is who you are, okay? And the where you are is your IP address, and that's why you want to change both. Now you'll see I'm in Tokyo right now, so I'm not at my current location. And so the who you are, it can be changed every minute using the Untracker. And only Robolinux offers the Untracker because privacy is absolutely just paramount today, especially with contact tracers and stuff causing people to be hauled off to prisons for no reason. So let's just see, and it explains everything in here, how to install it. It's so easy, and of course tells you got to get a VPN. Now, The VPN that is recommended by Robolinux is the most economical with the fastest servers, and I mean, we're talking, just, hundreds and hundreds of fast servers, and it's about $1.50 or so a month when you buy the year. So that's really worth it. You can get it off our site, and that does pay a small commission to help me stay in business. So I appreciate that. So what is the who you are and how do you prove it? Well, if we go over here and run the Untracker, we're going to get this untrackable, untraceable MAC addresses. And what you'll see is the first one, being an Ethernet card, is going to show the original, and then it's going to show the current, which is the changed, so 3E, and the permanent, which is in the chip 88. And now, if you keep changing this MAC address, then you confuse the spy agencies, and they don't know who you are, and there's just no way they can, figure it out after 200 or 300 different MAC addresses coming from different IP addresses. They don't know who you are. So there's that. Now, the next one's going to be Fastboot, and that's another first, and nobody else offers this in the Linux community. This is a custom installer that is built based on exactly what applications you're running and your Linux operating system. So it does take me a few hours to build it. It will reduce your boot up speed. It could be as low as 4 or 5 seconds. It'll definitely get you somewhere around 10 seconds or less. And again, no fee until through December 15th. Then the Robo Security, which gives you peace of mind, so you can see whether or not you've got any backdoors on your Robolinux operating system that have snuck through. And then you've got a bunch of special privacy app installers, one-click installers, and it shows, of course, how to install the 12 Plus. And if you want to be smart, you'll get one of these Robolinux Untracker telephones. It's running the Debian Mobian operating system, and it's got switches. I mean, it's unbelievable. You can turn off the GPS, you can turn off the microphone, the camera, the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi. You can change the battery by just pulling off the back and putting in a new battery. It's like the good old days. Just a wonderful phone, not expensive, definitely worth it. It will not run any Apple apps, and it's not going to run any Android apps, which are all trackers, for anybody who's done any research. So, all right, so that's 12 Plus, that's what you get, and I would urge you to upgrade to the Robolinux 12 Plus. It's really worth it. That's $200 worth of software for free, and I appreciate you watching this Robolinux video. And I always end my videos with this special prayer. May Yahweh bless you and your families greatly.